word is... Can you say that? What is it?
Kalapati.
So cute.
Kalapati. Kalapati.
Lahat ng words na to, wait for my cue lahat ng to related sa Vincenzo, okay? So, are you ready?
빈센조와 관련 있는 거예요.
Okay, related sa
Kalapati. What is Kalapati? Seems like calamari.
Okay, wag muna kayo mamigay. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, timer starts now! Ang dali na, kaya-kaya. Kaya, world peace siya.
인자기. 인자기. 새.
Yes, you said it right.
bird. 새. bird? pigeon.
Yes!
Oh, this is good.
Pigeon is correct.
Thank you, Claire.
Okay, scoreboard is 1. Very good.
Okay, I love this game.
Okay, you love this game.
Okay.
Congratulations, Claire. Okay, so may fun fact lang tayo. Kalapati means pigeon. That's correct in English. And in Vincenzo, your character had an invasive pet pigeon, right? Inzaghi.
맞아요. pigeon 나왔었어요. 네, 인자기.
Inzaghi. Inzaghi. Okay. So now, let's go for the over there naman. Punta tayo. Kumusta naman natin? Hi. Kumusta naman kayo dito? And now we have IC Mendoza. Ayan na. Sis, kamusta ka na dyan? IC, sino ang ating mahiwagang player? Ikaw!
안녕하세요.
Hi girl! IC, anong pangalan niya? What's your name?
Kain po. Hi, Sanjong here.
What's the name again?
Divine.
Divine.
Honey.
Divine. Divine.
Divine.
Yes.
Hi.
Okay. So, Divine, ready ka na ba? Handa ka na? Nakapag-warm up ka na? Okay. So, let's see the next word. You wanna look? Okay. Next word is...
아뽀이. 아뽀이.
Easy to pronounce, right? Apoy. Okay, so
Apoy.
again, you can answer in Korean or English. Are you ready? Okay. All you have to do is actions lang ha, no words in 30 seconds. Ready? Divine? Okay. Timer starts now. Oy, don't use your mouth. Ang cute ni Divine. Pinigil niya talaga eh. Kaya mo yan. Ano kaya to? Go ahead, look at Divine. Okay na. Oh, wow.
Huh? What's that? Fire.
Napakadali.
Okay.
Ayun, kaya. Fire.
잘하신다.
Ang galing niyo.
Yes. Fire. The fire in our hearts.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, dito naman tayo. Diba nagpa-apply tayo?
Thank you, Divine.
Sa Vincenzo, diba? Okay, so yun ang What's your name? Sorry, Lean. Lean. Lean.
레안.
Lean. Okay. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, ibang energy ng Filipino fans. Lean represent. Okay, Lean, handa ka na ba? Yes, I am! Okay, are you ready, Judy?
Yeah,
Okay,
ready.
let's see
Let's
the
go.
third word. Here it is. Parang familiar.
아싸라.
I think you already know this.
아싸라. 아까.
Okay, i-active mo na. Timer starts now. Andiyan na eh. Okay, look at her. What's wow? Ang galing mo na. Tumutulo siya. Okay. Wow, you like acting?
우리 했잖아요.
We talk about this.
Yes.
Delicious.
Great job.
저는 아까 이 단어를 이제 외워서 맞는 것 같은데 했는데
Basta na pala ng Chicken Cordelia. Tapos pinapagkala sa akin, kiss siya. Nasabi ko, ano ba ito? Masarap, kiss na to.
Ano ba yan? Siyempre, hindi naman natin mapigilan. Fun couple, diba? Ayun, that is how Vincenzo would describe your favorite pasta dish, right? Masarap. Delicioso. Matches sa'yo.
아싸라 맛있어요.
Okay. Alright. So far so good. You got all three.
Let's go.
On to that side.
Let's go.
Let's go. Are you guys ready? Thanks for the match. Dito ba?
Hi, Janina. So let's find our player on this side. Mag-iingay. Okay. I think napili na natin ang player.
안녕하세요.
What's her name? What's your name? Gian.
Hi, Dian.
Gian. Exterior. Gian. Hello, Gian. Gian, sumakses ka na. Sobra. Okay. Ay, namatay na siya. At namatay na siya. Oh, kaya pa. Oh, hinga ka muna. Hinga malalim, Gian.
Relax.
This is your moment.
Okay.
Oh, Gian, kalma lang. Kalma lang. That's how you tell them to calm down. Kalma lang.
깔말랑.
Lang.
깔말랑.
Yes. You tell Gian kalma lang.
깔말랑.
Okay, are you ready for the word, Gian? Okay. We can do it. Okay. Let's go. Let's look at the word. This is the next word. Can you say it again? Show them.
진도.
You say Jinto.
긴도.
Ginto.
긴도.
Okay. Alright, kaya mo yan. Paano kaya? I-act out ni Gian. Okay, timer starts now! Wow. Yan. Medyo to retrieve gold
맞아요.
sa Vincenzo, di ba?
맞아요.
Worth 110 million? Okay.
맞아요.
So ito naman, fifth player, last na for now. Sino kaya?
Last but not the least.
Ayos na lang,
Ito
MJ.
na. Last but not the least, we do have.
Ay, hindi na ako to. Hindi na kita madawin.
안녕하세요.
Hi, Melissa. Melissa going in the house.
Yes.
She's a very good volleyball player.
Hello, I'm Melissa. You greeted me last year, birthday. You met my husband in Phil. Ayun na. Naira.
Pero naman sila.
기억나는 것 같아요.
Parang I remember.
잘생긴 얼굴 기억나는 것 같아요.
Ang pogi niya kasi, ang pogi ng mukha niya, so I can remember.
Ikaw pala ang nagdala eh. Okay. Oh, diba? Close eh. Love it. Okay, so, Melissa, good to see you. Excited ka na ba? Ready ka na ba? Pakita mo yung volleyball moves mo dito, ha? Okay, so, let's see the next word. Okay, let's go. Are you ready? Jungi? Yeah? Okay, let's see it.
굿살리.
Kaya mo yan. Okay, sige. Kaya mo yan.
Okay, let's
Alright,
go.
let's go. Let's bring in the timer. Timer starts now.
House. Bigger. House. 흰가 프라자. 흰가 프라자. 근데 빌딩.
Thank you so much. O, diba? Congratulations. Napakadali. Thank you, MJ. O, diba? Ano, dyan ka na lang. Hi. Anything else to say? Kiss na lang.
Thank you so much for greeting me last October. I
Thank you so
cried.
much.
She cried daw. Umiyak siya. Oh, okay. So yes, Gusali means
Thank you.
building in English, diba? Yung Gungang Plaza, diba? Was the name of the building located in Seoul that Vincenzo tried to save to protect the tenants who he ended up caring for. Oh, may
맞아요.
trivia. May throwback tayo dito. Nag-review ng notes. Okay, so, final count. Ilan ang points ni Song Joong-gi? Perfect! 5 out of 5.
You made it.
Ikaw na talaga ang winner. Ikaw ang ano, sumakses. Can you say it? Sumakses.
수막센.
It means we all want sumakses.
수막센. Success.
Yes. Okay, I love it. Alright, so thank you so much. Ang saya-saya, diba? First game pa lang natin yan. So for you, how was the experience trying to guess all of these Tagalog words? Masaya ba?
아니, 이 발음이 너무 예뻐요.
Ang ganda talaga ng pronunciation ng Tagalog words, alam mo?
O, diba?
약간 이거 배우고 싶은 욕심도 생기는데요.
Parang gusto ko talaga mag-aral ng Tagalog din.
Ay!
너무 예쁘지 않아요?
Di ba? Parang sobrang ganda ng Tagalog.
Yes. Kami lang talaga to. Ang dami mong tutor, oh. Kaming lahat, di ba? Mag-sign up, maging tutor. Yes?
와.
You're ano, pretty. Oh, di ba? Okay, well, I love that. Siyempre, again, this was all, yung theme ng Vincenzo. Pero aside from that, we also saw you in so many other series, di ba? For example, ano ba, ang dami mo nang na-play na roles eh. So we've seen him play, di ba? Yung North Korean who struggles to obtain refugee status in My Name is Loki Wan. And meron din, yung epic fantasy drama. I'm giving you like a throwback here. diba? As Down Chronicles, diba? Where he plays the Igutu twins, Unsong and Saya. And meron din, syempre, he was the lead star in Reborn Rich, the second most watched K-drama in Korean cable history, in which he played the youngest son of a powerful conglomerate. So congratulations on that. Napakagaling, di ba? O di ba? At patuloy pa yan, syempre. Marami pa tayong aabangan from him. Pero ikaw, Jungishi, I wanna ask, ano ba yung ibang dream roles mo na gusto mong mag-play in the future?
우와. 예, 정말 아직도 많이 하고 싶은 캐릭터들이 많지만, 아까도 잠깐 얘기했었는데, 어렸을 때부터 약간 이 판타지에 나오는 뱀파이어 캐릭터를,
Siyempre marami akong mga genres na gusto ko mag-explore. Pero since I was younger pa, gusto ko mag-try ng, ano yung vampire sa fantasy.
Oh, vampire pala?
뱀파이어인데,
I know.
굉장히 아시아적인 색깔이 결합된 특이한 뱀파이어를 한번 해보고 싶어요.
Pero siyempre dapat mo naman kahit yung vampire. Yung vampire na may Asian color din.
Ako, may... sikat yun dito ngayon, di ba? Di ba? What happened, Bella? We're crying again. I know, right? So, Jungishi. Okay, so yes, vampire pala ang gusto mong magampanan. Oh, okay, very interesting to know. Okay, so alam ko meron din siyang upcoming new role that you've been preparing for. I know na talagang sobrang dedicated ka pag may new role ka. Talagang inaaral mo kung ano yung role na yon and what skills that character needs, diba? So, for this upcoming new show, it's actually for your next big drama series called My Youth. You actually learned how to do floral arrangements. Is that right? Flower arrangements! Sino mahilig sa flowers? Sino ang gusto ng flowers from Song Joong-ki?
Oh, wow.
So tell us more about Muna, My Youth. Tell us about your character in this show.
네, 얼마 전에 이제 촬영을 마친 마이유스라는 드라마를 이제 올 여름에 여러분들께 인사를 드릴 수 있을 것 같은데요. 말씀해주신 것처럼 플로리스트 역할을 맡았고, 그래서 굉장히 열심히 살아가는 플로리스트가 어렸을 때 좋아했던 여성을 다시 만나면서 추억을 같이 되새기는 아름다운 사랑 이야기인데요. 말씀해주셨듯이 거기서 플로리스트 역할을 맡았습니다. 기대해 주십시오.
Recently lang nag-finish yung shooting sa this year, sa summer, mag-release ng itong drama na to. Kaya abangan niyo po ang drama na to. And yung character ko doon ay florist. Right? So, the story is about the two male and females. Talagang nagka-in love sila. And then, nung nasa adult life na po sila,